Let us discuss some of the technical terms. First, let me see about the punch cards. Punch cards or punched cards, also known as Hollerith cards or paper cards, where holes may be punched by hand or machine to represent computer data and instruction. For example, an early computer programmer would write a program by hand, then convert the program to a series of punched cards using a punch card machine. The programmer would then take the stack of cards to a computer and feed the cards into the card reader to input the program. Why were punch cards used? Early computers could not store files like today's computer. If you wanted to create a data file or a program, the only way to use that data with other computers was to use a punch card. Are punch cards still used? Storage devices started replacing punch cards in the 1960s, and today they are rarely used or found. Are punch cards input device? No, the cards by themselves are not input device. However, the punch card reader is considered as an input device because it takes data from the punch card and sends it to the computer. Next is about batch processing. Batch processing is a technique in which an operating system collects the program and data together in a batch before processing starts. So the jobs are submitted in batches to a computer for processing. An example of batch processing is the way that credit card companies process billing. The customer does not receive a bill for each separate credit card purchase, but one monthly bill for all of that month's purchases. The bill is created through batch processing, where all of the data are collected and held until the bill is processed as a batch at the end of the billing cycle. Multiprogramming. Multiprogramming is a rudimentary form of parallel processing in which several programs are run at the same time on a uniprocessor. A computer running Excel and Firefox browser simultaneously is an example of multiprogramming. Another example of multiprogramming, we listen to music and do internet browsing at the same time. They execute parallelly. So this is an example for multiprogramming. Parallel processing is a method in computing of running two or more processors to handle separate part of an overall task. See the first example, which is for sequential processing, one cashier handling both the queues one by one. Example for parallel processing, one cashier for each queue. Distributed computing. A distributed computing environment contains multiple nodes that are physically separate but linked together using the network. Example, the World Wide Web is an excellent example of this type of computing. When you use a browser to visit a website, a program such as Internet Explorer runs on the local system and interacts with a program which runs on remote system to fetch a file or resource.